Good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another nice video. We're going to be talking about the tropics and also the lower 48 as well. Also, we're going to take a look at the forecast for your Sunday and Monday. Also, the current watches warning advisory map. Also, the storm prediction center outlook for your Sunday. And also, we're going to take a look at day 5 as we got some severe weather to discuss as well. Alrighty, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Also turn on the bell notifications so that way you'll get my forecast when they be issued. Also like these videos, share these videos, and tell everybody about the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel. You can that you know, family, friends, relatives, neighbors, whoever. Tell them to subscribe to my channel as well. Alrighty, well let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. Alright. As you can see here, we're taking a look at the tropics here. You can see we got a few little systems down here around the Bahamas, just east of the Bahamas. This is a cold front extending from the northeastern Atlantic all the way down into Caribbean Sea, sections of the central U.S. It's going to bring some severe weather tomorrow as a cold front. You can see pretty much you can pick up the cold front now extending from pretty across into the central portion of the United States. This front will continue to sag to the south and bring showers and storms to the area down across the south and southeast United States late Sunday into early Monday. But we'll have another storm system. I'm looking at something may form up here in the Gulf of Mexico. The computer models are hinting at something here maybe in the Gulf. Could bring some showers anywhere from Texas to the East Coast. Some of the models wants to take it up the East Coast. Some wants to shove it back into the Texas and Mexico region. Also far north as Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, the Panhandle of Florida. Some kind of weak area of low pressure, so we'll have to continue to monitor that. And see, it was Thursday video, something to do yesterday, so sorry for no video, but I'm back again tonight. Alright, well that's pretty much the tropic, mid-Atlantic, southeast, and south. Alright, you can see here we got showers and storms from Maine all the way down into Pennsylvania, down into Tennessee, northern Alabama, Mississippi, stretching through the Carolinas, also in the Outer Banks, stretching up to eastern Virginia. We got some showers and storms across central and south Florida to the Florida Keys, the Gulf of Mexico. We got one from Texas and Mexico all the way up into portions of Idaho, also into Oregon and Washington State, a little bit in northeast California, northern Nevada, northern Utah, South Dakota, western areas there, stretching through Montana and northern Idaho. Otherwise, dry high pressure is in charge of much of Canada through portions of Washington, Oregon State, California, Gulf of California, up to Arizona, Utah, Mexico to Texas, all the way into portions of South Carolina and Georgia, northern Florida, Mexico, Yucatan Peninsula, Jamaica, Cuba, the Bahamas, northern Florida, also from North Carolina up into Delaware, portion of Ohio, Michigan, back to Minnesota, Wisconsin, North Dakota, and also Nebraska areas. Expect high pressure to be in charge of areas weather and all of that activity for your Sunday, June 9th. Alright, as you can see here, here's the showers and storms, again from Maine all the way back to Ohio to Pennsylvania to the Carolinas, much of Florida, Florida Keys, along the Gulf of Mexico, back to Texas, all the way back into Colorado, Montana, Idaho, through the Dakotas, Minnesota, portion of Wisconsin, the Iowa region, Got some shower activity over here in portions of the Pacific Ocean, also back in the southwestern Canada, maybe western areas of Washington State. Otherwise, dry high pressure is in charge of much of Canada, portion of New Brunswick, Newfoundland, also the Great Lakes region stretching down into the Tennessee and portions of the South, portions of the Southeast, over here into the Bahamas, Cuba, Jamaica, down to the Yucatan Peninsula, also into Mexico, to California, the Four Corners region, over toward California, and also up toward the northwestern United States and portion of Washington, Oregon State, and Idaho. Alright, and dry high pressure is also in charge, like I say, from Wisconsin down to portion of northern Mississippi, Alabama, North Carolina, back up to Michigan. Alright, all of this activity is for your Monday, June 10th. Alright, let's take a look at your forecast watches warning advisory map. Alright, okay, as you can see here, we got some hydro issues over South Florida. We have the river flood warning still in effect for portions of Minnesota, Iowa, also southern Wisconsin, also in Missouri, down in Mississippi, Louisiana, southern Arkansas, eastern Texas. We have a severe thunderstorm watch over portions of Missouri, northern Arkansas, eastern Kansas. Flood watch also in effect there also. We have some air quality alerts over here in portions of Louisiana, southeast and eastern Texas, central Texas. We've got another severe thunderstorm watch in western Kansas, southwestern Nebraska, and also eastern Colorado, southeastern areas of Wyoming, with some ongoing severe thunderstorm warning there. We have a tornado warning also going. We have a few severe thunderstorm warnings there as well. In Missouri, special weather statement for portions of Minnesota and northwest Wisconsin. Hydro issues over Montana, wind advisories over northwestern areas of Montana. Excessive heat warnings in effect for portions of California. Also some red flag warnings also in effect for portions of Nevada. And also, no, that ain't red flag warning, that is excessive heat warning, excuse me. This is excessive heat watch, excuse me. This is excessive heat watch for California. Excessive heat warning now for southeastern California and also into portion of southern Nevada. Few counties in Utah as well. Flood watch in effect for portions of areas of New Mexico, also into portion of Wyoming. Some river flood warnings there as well. And heat advisory for portions of Texas, and got a few severe thunderstorm warnings in North Texas as well. Alright, we got some high surf warnings along the coastal areas of Hawaii and Chain Island. Small craft advisories also in effect. Gale warnings around the Alaska area. Also, we have some red flag warnings now for Alaska. Also, northern Alaska, we have special weather statement. For you guys, for along the coastal areas, we have some gale warnings, storm warnings, small craft advisory from Oregon State to California, and a little bit up here around the Boston area, Massachusetts region as well. Alright, now let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook, and we got a marginal risk for severe weather on your Sunday. From Wilmington, North Carolina to Charleston, Columbia, Charlotte, stretching far west is Denver over towards Santa Fe, New Mexico, also to Lubbock and Midlands and Abilene, Texas. In between there, the marginal risk. Same up toward Casper, Wyoming, to Billings, Jackson, also over toward the southeast of Boise, Idaho region as well. And we have general thunderstorm for portions of Maine, stretching back down toward Rochester, Buffalo, and Binghamton. Also from New Orleans down toward the Florida Keys, including Miami and Fort Myers. Also toward Raleigh, back over towards the Great Falls area of Montana. Also Spokane, Pendleton, Elk, and a little bit in the mountain range of California. Just general thunderstorms expected. Tornado probability less than 2% all areas. That's good news. Damaging winds pretty much 5% in the brown, and large hail pretty much 5% in the brown as well over in these areas here where the marginal risk outlook is. Alright, and finally we're going to wrap it up with the severe weather for day number 5. As you can see, we already got a 15% risk for severe weather from Grand Forks to Fargo, all the way down to Aberdeen, also Pierre, also Valentine, just northwest of Norfolk, Nebraska area, marginal risk will be outlined in this area. So expect some showers and storms, maybe some damaging winds with tornadoes and large hail in the 15% risk area. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Everybody continue to stay safe and well. Make sure you subscribe and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and spread the word about the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel so I can get more subscribers. I greatly appreciate it. Have a good one, folks. Take care.